Welcome to this video on fast charging efficiency. We'll dive deep into power loss and conversion physics to answer a critical question. Is fast charging wasting half your electricity? Speed comes with a hidden cost. While we save time, rapid charging involves electrical friction that can result in significant energy loss, commonly referred to as burning watts. The process begins with the power conversion journey. Your fast charger acts as a tiny substation, converting high-voltage alternating current, or AC, from your wall into stable direct current, or DC, for the battery. Energy disappears through thermal dissipation and cable and connector loss. Electrical resistance generates heat, which is Joule heating. Thin wires and poor contacts also act as bottlenecks, wasting energy before it reaches your device. In a typical 100-watt charging breakdown, only 78 watts are stored in the battery. The remaining 22 watts are lost through conversion heat, cable resistance, and standby power. Efficiency varies significantly by charging standard. Slow charging maximizes efficiency at 92%. Superfast charging has higher heat generation, leading to 78% efficiency. Wireless charging often shows severe loss, sometimes reaching only 55%. The claim of wasting half of your electricity is largely a myth for wired charging. Typical wired efficiency is around 85% and rarely drops below 75%. The severe loss is mostly restricted to misalignment in wireless charging or faulty equipment. The GaN revolution uses gallium nitride technology. GaN components conduct electrons 1,000 times more efficiently than traditional silicon. This allows for smaller, cooler chargers, pushing fast charging efficiency above 90% at high wattages. Comparing charging standards shows key differences. USB power delivery offers high wattage and smart switching. Qualcomm QC 5.0 is optimized for heat. Proprietary standards offer ultra-fast charging, but can cause high device heat. Qi Wireless uses magnetic induction for low friction. Fast charging impacts longevity and the planet. High heat accelerates battery degradation. Billions of chargers contribute to massive global energy loss, especially due to phantom power or vampire power when left plugged in while idle. The evolution of efficiency shows progress. The 2020 GaN era introduced gallium nitride, spiking efficiency above 90%. Future developments, like smart ICs, will use AI-driven voltage negotiation to minimize every milliwatt of loss.